Okay, let's take a look at the odd problems for 3.7. Starting with number 1, if you remember our steps, that you had to choose the right equation first and then plug in the variables that we know. And number 1, it's asking for the pressure. So you had to turn back a page and get the proper formula for pressure equals 0.433 times the height. In number 1, it's given us the height of 32 feet. So we'll plug that in, 0.433 times 32, and we get 13.856. For number 3, it wants to put a fence around here. I would suggest drawing a picture so that you can visually see what's going on, and make sure you include our perimeter formula that we used in the lesson. And we're plugging in our numbers at 60 foot long and 20 foot wide. So we plug those numbers in. 2 times 100 or times 60 is 120. 2 times 20 is 40, and we get a total of 160 feet. Again, make sure the units are on there, and I messed up on number 1. That's pressure, PSI. Number 5, a carpenter plans to cut formica around the edges, and we're in feet. So we're looking at the circumference is 2 pi r. We know pi is 3.14, or you can even plug that into a calculator, but we're going to use 3.14 times the radius of 2. That's 12.56. And what's my units? We are talking in feet, so it's 12.56 feet. Number 7, we're talking about volume, length, width times height, and we get 10 times 3 times 2, or 60, and my units for that is inches. Number 9, the distance equals rate times time. 47 times 2 is 94, and my units is miles. Number 11, R equals X times P. So I have 48 times 0.79, or 3792. Keep an eye on your decimal when doing the math to make sure that that comes out correctly. Number 13, same formula, and it comes out to be $4,257. Number 15, same formula, it's $161. Number 17, I have G equals width times height plus 1/2 WE, and I get $135. 19, same formula, I get $403.75. 21, $7.50. 23 is P equals A plus B plus C. 25 is 5 is less than 7. 27 is the empty set is a subset of all natural numbers. Set of the natural numbers. 29, gonna put it way up here on the top. Pi is not equal to 3.14. All right, so now that you've got the odd ones done, give it a shot on the evens.